let's just get to this unboxing. Hey everybody, it is Smiley. I'm back today for another video. So today I'm going to be doing a very quick unboxing. Where'd I put my scissors? Back to what I was saying. Today we're going to be doing a very quick unboxing. I'm leaning forward because the way that the lighting is right now. But anyway, this is something that I've been looking forward to unboxing for a while. I've had it for a couple of weeks actually, but I just have not had an opportunity to actually record this unboxing video and actually open it up. So I'm really excited for this. I've been looking for these boots for, well, not necessarily, I won't say these boots, but I've been looking for this color of boot for a while. It's a certain shade of brown boots that I was looking for, and I've been searching for it for a while. As a matter of fact, I did mention it in one of my previous videos. I don't recall or remember which video it was, but anyway, it's a specific brown color that I was looking for, and I think these might be it. It came at a very expensive price tag, but I'm definitely planning to get a lot of use out of these once we start. And that's the thing about it, is like once we start going out more, or like when I start going back to work more consistently, then at that point I think I'll probably be wearing these a lot more. If you feel that you haven't dressed up in a while and you're just like, I just feel like dressing up, and you're going to the grocery store, then I guess you could always do that. I mean, what are people gonna say? No one's gonna say anything. Like, why are you dressed up to go to the grocery store? They don't know where you've been. So anyway, back to the whole point of this video. So let's just get to this unboxing. We're gonna find out if they fit today. I've had them so long, they probably won't take them back if they don't. Oh, it's a heavy box. I got them from Bergdorf Goodman, and so we're gonna go ahead and unbox these. It's a really nice box though. Like the way it feels and everything, just really, really nice. All right. All right. So there's our box right there, Givenchy box. Cool. Now I looked at other boots. Like I said, I was looking for a specific color of boot, and I think that this will be it. However, I know some other people are buying Givenchy boots. I mean, I honestly didn't like the others, but let me shut up. Okay. All right, so care instructions, all that good stuff, you know, that we always see in these. And then, so they've got it in a dust bag. Ooh, yeah, so this is the color that I've been looking for. It looks really nice. I have a small foot, so I ordered these in a size 6. And so we're gonna try them on and make sure that they fit. So that's the boot here. That nice lock detail. And it's got Givenchy here. And then it's got like 4 G's. I don't know how well you all can see it, but it's got the little 4 G's on that side. And that's actually on both sides of the lock. And then on the bottom, it's got the 4 G's on it. And so we're gonna try them on right quick and make sure that it fits. I got a size 6. I will put the link in the description box just in case anybody else is interested in them. Thank you all again for watching. Thank you all again so much for supporting. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you all for my next video. Bye.